Hey guys, welcome to Red 2000. Wanna know about Valor Omega's features and its weapons, its combat history? So today we're gonna talking about Valor Omega's Y11 rebels and cannons, its power core, its armor, its ammunition, and etc. Alright, let's roll.
We are Earth's last defense.
Valor Omega.
Now help me save the world.
Let's finish this.
Oh my god. That is Valor Omega.
Valor Omega is a Mark 6 Jaeger. It was stationed at a modern Stratodome prior to its destruction at the hands of the Jaeger hybrid. Armed with a pair of Y11 rebels and cannons, Valor Omega is one of the most powerful Jaeger in the fleet.
Features.
Valor Omega is powered by a Vulcan torso core located in the middle of our torso compartment. Its legs are reinforced with success banners for his knees. Valor Omega is a broad and heavily armored Jaeger that focuses on firepower. Valor's firepower will stand up a 21-gun firing line, which on its cannons nicknamed 21-gun salute. Valor's principal armaments consist of two pairs of Y11 rebels and cannons, high-powered long-range kinetic weapons mounted on its forearms. They fire a special type of projectile ammunition called balls, which are optimized for burrowing under kaiju hide and unleashing a cascade of silicon decomposing metagenic acid. As kaiju are silicon-based organisms, this acid proves lethal even in moderate doses. In a post-war environment, Valor Omega's function is primarily that of an emergency response unit that aids the evacuation of civilians. As such, Valor Omega can enter hazardous and uninhabitable environments. The interior of its torso can hold up to 150 people, acting as a shelter. Its legs are equipped with a desalination and filter system that can purify seawater to drinking purposes for entire communities, and is equipped with medical emergency supplies.
History.
At the time of Jake Pentecost and Amara Man's arrival to Moylan, Valor Omega is stationed at the Moylan Stratodome. Later, Valor Omega was sent along with Mother Witch and Guardian Bravo as reinforcement for GT Avenger. By the time they arrived, Option and Fury killed Mako Mori and it went away. During the drone hybrid attack, Valor Omega is deployed to defend the Stratodome with Titan Redeemer and Mother Witch. Valor Omega is the first Jaeger to engage the drones, blasting one with one of his cannons, before the second drone throws a helicopter at Valor, damaging it and causing Valor to stagger backwards. The Jaeger drone leaps onto Omega's back and tears its gunpowder from his shoulders. The discarded head blocks Amara and the other cadets attempt to escape the Stratodome. After the attack, the PvC were forced to take some of Valor's armor for the Jaeger's repairs. He was seen in the screen, but it fell left of the lotion as he is replaced with a new head. And this is all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share. And hey, don't forget to subscribe if you're new to this channel. Hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Alright, signing out. This is Jaeger. See you next time.